Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Xbox 360 wired controller not turning on. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Xbox 360 wired controller, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to inspect your cable. So in this case, you want to take a closer look into your USB cable itself. If in this case, if there are any cuts, bends, or signs of damage, well, in this case, if you can, try using a different USB cable on it. But in this case, if you do see some damages on it, then in this case, you may want to replace the cable itself or the actual controller, depending if you can actually remove the cable. So yeah, another thing that you may want to do, just in case it's not broken or the cable is not broken here, well, you want to check the USB connection. So in this case, make sure your controller is actually securely plugged into your working USB port here. So if you have other ports as well, you may want to plug it in that port instead. So in this case, a loose connection could be the only issue you're having here. That's why you're having some issues with your wired controller. Next is you may want to test this on another device. So in this case, you want to plug your controller in a different Xbox 360 console or in your PC if you can. Now, if it works there, the issue might be with your console USB port. But in this case, if it doesn't work on either, the controller might be the one faulty, which in this case, again, you may need to buy a new controller. Now, also, you may want to start your console or PC if you're using it. So in this case, this is quite simple. Sometimes a simple restart can solve a lot of issues, especially if the software running your controller here might be malfunctioning. So restarting your PC or console can solve a lot of issues here. And also for PC users out there, if you're using it on your Windows PC, make sure you have the latest Xbox 360 controller drivers installed. You can find them on the official Xbox support page. Sometimes outdated drivers stop the control from powering on and being recognized. But yeah, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.